What's up, guys? I want to share something with you. But before we start it, if you're new in this channel, hit that subscribe button. So let's talk about it. So about a year ago, I took one of my students to Metro East, the test center. And after I show him what he needs to know, we were passing by Tesla dealership. He said to me one thing. He said, Alex, if I pass today the road test, this is my future car. I said, okay, I wish you the best. So anyway, about 2 weeks ago, I met with my student. And guess what he was driving? He was driving a Tesla Model 3. I said to him, whoa, that's nice. Did you win any lottery ticket? He said, no, Alex, this car is paid himself. I was very interesting to ask him a few questions. How does he do it? So he explained to me that there is a few websites that like similar to Airbnb that you can rent your car for the price that you are actually putting in. Not only that, if you need the car, you are the one that make a decision when you can rent, also the price. So I said to him, yeah, what about the insurance? What about the rest of the stuff? He said to me, Alex, everything is covered. Of course, if you're using the insurance, you will get paid less. So we just went for the numbers, and he said that this car, the Tesla Model 3, that cost about $60,000, in 6 years, he pays about $700 a month for the car, plus the insurance. So he needs to rent a month, about 11 days, to cover the expenses of the car. The rest, it's his. So he said to me, by using to rent the car to the other people, he actually managing payments for the car. I said, yes, but what's going to happen if something has happened, like let's say the car has been damaged or something. So that's why he said, I use insurance of the company that he signed it up. There is a few of them I checked. After that, I was very interested. I checked and I find there is a couple companies, but one of the most usable people using it, it's Toro. You can look at that, guys. It's very interesting. Not only that, if you want to rent any luxury car like a Mercedes or a BMW or a Porsche, whatever you decide to rent, you can rent it there for the amount of money. It's not like the rental companies that they only providing you with the car that it's middle size SUV. That one you can choose which car you want to rent. And if you know, guys, if you rent the car before, you're going to the rental place and you said, I want SUV Toyota RAV4, but they said, and this time they don't have that. That on that website, it's not going to happen because you're dealing exactly with one-on-one with the owner of the car. It's not like a big company that they renting and then they out of the cars. So one of the things that it's better if you want to rent some car that you want to drive, like a Ford Mustang or something like very, very cool, you can do there. So anyway, we did the numbers and he mentioned that in the end of the month, he receiving about $1,200 to $1,300. It depends on how much he is renting. Also, he is the one that asking the price for the car. So let's say one day he wants to rent for $120. The other day he sees that there is too many Tesla for rent. He can lower the price. So it's like you are the one on control what's the price you want to receive. Not only that, if you have any other car, let's say you have a car right now that it's sitting on the driveway because you're not driving, right? You can rent this car to somebody that would love to use your car for driving. And you can make some money. At least it's not that you're going to make a living for that, but you can cover the expenses, the insurance, if you are not using the car. Most of us now, the cars are just on the driveway. or in the garage. The reason is because we cannot drive. But some people is still renting and using the car for rent. So that's one of the options that you can do when you are renting the car and you stuck right now and you like, okay, so my car is for me now just liability, it's just taking money from me. There is an option that you can rent your car. I think that it's a good idea for somebody that like to drive and can rent any car he wants. Also, I think it's a good idea for somebody that already have the car and it's not in use, so you can use and make some money. Anyway, guys, I want to just do this short video for you just to see if you are interested on that, so you have an option to make some money for payment or car insurance when you are not using your car. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And of course, I will see you soon.